So guys, this is BuzzyNetworks. This is our logo, and today I got a new job on site
ready to pass our CCTV
in a police station precise, and as you can see, I'm about to start the cabling. So don't mind me, I was vibing with some kind of music in my head, so don't mind me. So I would roll up some cables and take it to the ceiling. So I was done with most of the wiring. So, and my box is ready. My box is getting ready. This thing was giving me a very hard time, and the wall was so strong. And so I had to hit it very hard in order for the nail to penetrate the wall. So as you can see, my box is ready. My trunking pipe is also ready. Just this box that is giving me tough time. What is this? Can you see the spark? TV sparkling. So I had to change the position of my nail, and I got it right. It's very strong, as you can see. Yes, very strong. I'm now a carpenter, and a very good carpenter at that. So I managed to also crimp some cables. This is a total of about 10 cameras, and I was the only one on site. My boy gave me a very tough time because we discussed to go to work and he later didn't show up. So, but that's not the point. The point here is that I passed all the cables from the building to the filling canopy. I passed all the cables, and now I'm crimping some cables. Crimping some cables to connect my BNC and the power balance. So you're going to see it. It was a heck of a Saturday morning. I worked throughout the day. So as you can see, I'm tightening up my BNC, trying to make the wire fit. In. So that's what I'm doing. Man, this work was so hectic for me, but thank God I did, and I was just there trying to make the wire fit in, and this one also was trying to give me a tough time because the BNC it was a kind of fault, and I'm trying to make it better. So my BNC is ready, and I'm trying to make the grip very firm. Now the grip is firm. So you guys will see how I connected the camera and tightening it up. Yes. So this is the camera. It's actually Dahua. That is what I'm using. I'm installing the Dahua camera. So I was trying to pull off the base so I can tighten it up there, and I think I already did that. Now I'm trying to connect my camera and fix everything. So as you can see, we have SS wire, we have SS cable left, and the reason I always do this is because in case there is a need for maintenance, you can't just come and start changing cables or anything. You just look for the faulty part and cut it off. That is the reason why I always leave SS cable, even if I'm not the one that is going to do the maintenance, so that it could be easy for anybody. So I was also trying, stop looking at my ass. I'm only trying to make this, the cover fit, understand? Yes, and I'm done, and I have my wipe, my handkerchief to wipe up the dirt on the camera. So this is another part where I was trying to install the camera, which I already did the base, and I've tightened up the base, and I'm trying to fix it in for you guys to see. See, I did the same thing, and that is how it goes. Yes. So you can do it to follow me on YouTube. I'm on TikTok. If you have a job for me, please call me. Just a young guy trying to make a living, just a young guy working so hard to make it out here legitimately. So please patronize me, and thanks for watching.